Hello everyone, I'm Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I'll try to show you how you can actually add the internet speed meter on the top of the notification bar in the Mi11X device. As you can see, friends. So let's see, friends, how you can actually add this kind of internet speed meter on the top. So this is a very useful internet speed meter. So whenever you try to access the internet, you can actually see the real-time internet speed what's happening here. As you can see, friends. So in this way, you'll get to know whether the application is utilizing the internet or not, whether you are getting any kind of internet access or not. So in this way, you'll be able to see all the differences on the top. So for example, let me try to download this game, and as you can see, friends, as soon as I start downloading the game, the speed will increase. So 1 Mbps, 2 Mbps, as you can see, it's trying to increase. So this is a way to get to know how much faster the internet speed of your connection is, and what is the highest speed it's trying to reach. So let's see, friends, how to enable this kind of option in this complete video. And in case if you're watching first time this channel, make sure to subscribe to my channel, friends, Sai Tech. And also don't forget to check the links in description for more details about this kind of smartphone Mi11X device. So let's begin, friends, this kind of tutorial how to get this kind of notification on the top in terms of the internet speed meter. So first you need to go to the settings option. So once you're in the settings option, go to this option called notification in the control center, as you can see here. So once you're in the notification in the control center, try to scroll down to the bottom, so which says the status bar, as you can see, friends. So once you click on the status bar, and here you do get the option of having the show connection speed. So initially out of the box this will be disabled. So now you can enable this kind of option just by clicking on the button, so it says the show connection speed, as you can see, friends. So in this way you can actually enable the internet speed meter in your Mi11X device. And make sure to subscribe and stay tuned, friends. In this kind of tutorial, I'll try to do each and every tutorial for the Mi11X users as well, so which will be very much useful for most of the people. And thank you for watching this video, friends. That's it. This is a very short tutorial, so where I just thought of mentioning you the main useful case for this real-time internet speed meter as well. And thank you for watching this video, friends, and see you in the next video. Until then, bye.